Hello everybody, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to share and upload files in Teams. Let's first take a look at a team. I'm going to jump into one of my demo teams here, and the first way to upload and share a file is going to be to simply start a post in a team. So pick your channel, click on Start a Post, and then find the little paperclip icon and attach a file. And either browse your cloud files or your OneDrive. It'll automatically link to your OneDrive. Browse the teams and channels for common Teams files that you already have in place, or upload directly from your computer. Once you have attached a file to a message in a channel, that automatically shares and uploads that file to that team. That file will then be in the stream of messages in the posts, letting everybody in the team know that it was shared right there. And it will also appear on the Files tab for that channel in that team. Let's take a look at that Files tab. So clicking on a Files tab, and if you don't have one, you can always add one. And as soon as you start sharing files, it will create a Files tab for you. But let's click on that. And now we can see any files that have been shared inside this team. A couple of things you can do. You can click on Upload, and you can create files, folders, or templates. Or you can also add new documents. These are live Microsoft documents, so you can add in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and that will allow you to organize all of the required files for your team on that specific channel. Now, another way to share and upload files would be through chat. Go on over to the left-hand menu and click on Chat. Just as in a team channel, down here where I'm going to type in my message, I have the little paperclip icon to attach a file, and it gives me the option of either attaching a cloud file, so accessing my OneDrive, or uploading directly from my computer. Anytime a file is shared within a chat, or you can go to all of your chat history and look for this, it will create a Files tab up at the top. As you explore the chat history, maybe there was a file and you're like, oh, they was shared that ages ago and I wish I could figure out what that was. You can click on the Files tab and you can sort through all of the files that have been shared in that chat. You can also, from this tab, click on the Upload icon and again, choose from either your cloud files, your OneDrive, or your computer to add files to this page directly. There are even more ways to continue to share and upload files. One of them, going over to the left navigation bar, you may have an app called OneDrive. If you don't, you can click on the three-dot menu, open up the apps, search for OneDrive, and add it to your navigation window. And once you do, and you're signed in, you click on it, and it automatically opens up access to your OneDrive without having to leave the Teams app. Now, the home page is going to show you all of your recent files that you've been accessing, and that can sometimes be the quick and easy way to find a file that you want to share. Now, you can share a file with someone by simply hovering over a file, going over to the share icon, and it will open up a dialog box asking you who you want to share it with. And you can put in names, email addresses, or even whole teams to share your document with. And you can change the settings on the permissions that you want to add in terms of editing or just viewing. Now you can also go to the three-dot menu next to any file, and you can access the share option as well, or the copy link, and that will just grab a link to the file and you can then paste it in another team or another chat. It's just a quick way of getting to your OneDrive and then being able to jump right back into a Teams conversation with the file that you were looking for. Now, also in the OneDrive, you have access to My Files, so all the files that you've been saving in your OneDrive, shared files, favorites, you name it. You even have quick access to the other teams that you belong to if you need to go search there, find the files. And again, the process would be the same. To share it, you would hover over either the share icon or click on the three-dot menu to grab a link or share it with groups or individuals. You can also share and upload files to a meeting itself. So let's start a meeting here in this demo channel. I'm just going to go right here to meet right now. Here's my meeting in place. I'm just going to click on chat, and notice right down here in the chat menu, I can either type in a message or I can click on the paperclip icon again, and I can attach a cloud file from my OneDrive, browse Teams or channel files, or upload directly from my computer. And what that's going to do is attach that file to the chat history in this meeting. So everyone who was in this meeting will have that chat history in their Teams folder, and they will be able to access that file. It's shared with them as soon as you've added it to the chat. Those are the basics for adding files and how to share and upload those within Teams. Thanks for watching. See you at the next one.